Today was a super duper exciting day because I got to play with my tardigrades. I found these guys by collecting some moss by the side of the pond where I got my new jar sample the other day. I wet the moss by soaking it just with some spring water in a little container, and then using a pipette I suck these little guys out and put them in a petri dish, which is very cool because now I can look at them whenever I like. 7 little teeny tiny squiggly tardigrades in this thing. I can see why they're called water bears or moss piglets because they're so cute. Look at their chubby little leggies and their little back fat rolls. They kind of remind me of me. This little dude appears to be eating or attempting to eat, or maybe it's just, practicing its dancing. I don't know. But maybe it's a worm, but it doesn't seem to really be moving, so I'm not totally sure that's what it is. Anyway, I will leave you guys to it. I don't really need to talk through this whole video, just thought I would show you my cool new pets, tardigrades, and I love them.